Hi everyone, welcome to the Dasunnex art. Today we are going to look into my detail of work. I understand that some people will be coming to my DM, be asking me how do you do this, how do you do that. So today I'm going to be revealing to you my method of work, how I do my work. As you can see from the beginning, I start with the sheet. One thing with artists I enjoy so much is the organizing the work, the build up of the work. Sometimes you can start with the face. A lot of people have the way they start their method of work. I have mine too. So I'm just want to share with you and explain some little thing as you can see on my work what you are seeing here. So first of all, I have a sketch. After the sketch, then I have a grinding charcoal dust. As you can see in my place, I apply it using the brush as I'm applying the shading, as you can see. So I start with the dark, graduate it to the lighter, as you can see, working on this scarf. Yeah, now I just dip the brush into the dust powder. Yeah, trying to create the effects. Yeah, so after creating the effects, I use another sharp brush, try to create some depth to separate the folds or the scarf of this woman. As you can see, the work still progress. We are building the work. After we're done with the resemblance, we went into the clothes. As you can see, yes, yes, step by step. Now I'm using mono zero, trying to carve the the design on the scarf. As you can see, yes, so I'm still on the designing, carving the design of the scarf. Yeah, so if you have any problem concerning this thing, this is a mono zero. It's not really mono zero, but it's a electrical eraser. I'm using it to get the design on the scarf. As you can see, I'm still working on it. Just watch till the end and you understand what I'm saying. Yes, work still in progress. As you can see, our, our mind is the machine, the noise from the background. So machine. Okay, so we are still on the scarf, trying to bring out the detail of the scarf. Yes, as you can see, it's using mono zero to carve it out. So, what do you think? It's not right. Don't forget to follow for more. If you have anyone that is interested in learning art, this is my art tutorial. As you can see, here we learn so many things. I'm not perfect, but the little one I know, I'm still sharing it to you people so that you can see. Yes, down to the clothes of this mother. I think the clothes you wear is somehow less. So I'm trying to create the effect on the white clothes. After I'm done with the designing of the scarf, how beautiful it is. As you can see, oh, that's nice. So I'm using um, colored pencil, trying to create some effect on the clothes. As you can see, yes, yes, yes. So if this is your first time of joining the Dasunnex art tutorial, you're welcome, and don't forget to follow for more. Here we teach the upcoming how to draw portraits, stunning portraits, pastels, and this. If you follow for more, I have varieties of artwork that I used to do on this channel. I mean, on this page. Yes, you can do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel on Facebook here too. Yes, so as you can see, yes, we are still moving on back to the clothes. See, I'm dropping the detail more on this clothes, still using mono zero, still using this electrical eraser, trying to create some effect. It's somehow difficult to use, but if you practice it more when the more you practice, the perfect it becomes. So that is what we are doing here. As you can see, we're still working. The work is in progress. Everything is taking place bit by bit as we progress on digitally. As you can see, we're still working. So don't forget to follow our page for more for stunning artwork. Yes, here we do and we train. If you're interested, you can leave comment or you can come to my DM for more tips and how to draw a beautiful portrait. Yes, gradually we're taking to the final stage. I think the portrait is now out. As you can see, the mouse is coming now. Some finishing touches are on the work. So if you like my art for more, you can share it to reach for more people. And if you have any of your younger brothers that is interested in art, tag them. Thank you for watching.